If you want to add a charm to the bracelet without having to restring your bracelet, you can do so. First, add a rope clasp to the bracelet. Put one side through the hole and pull it to tight. So it's locked. Then the string is bent so that the two strings, one in front of the other, are stuck together, so that the charm can be passed through. Tie at the end once you are done. Note that the knot must be larger than the charm's hole, or it will fall out. Finally, cut off the excess rope and bend the rope. Did you learn it?